My dear friend, do you seek to live a life transformed by God's grace? Let's reflect on Philippians 4:9, a verse that offers profound wisdom for our journey. It says, "Whatever you have learned or received or heard from me or seen in me, put it into practice, and the God of peace will be with you." Imagine a young apprentice learning from a master craftsman. The master, with years of experience, shares his skills and secrets, guiding the apprentice towards mastery. The apprentice, eager to learn, absorbs every word and movement, striving to imitate the master's craft. But true growth happens only when the apprentice practices what he's learned. Similarly, the Apostle Paul, deeply devoted to God, shares his wisdom and experience. He encourages us to take the teachings of God's word, the lessons of faith and the examples of those who have walked before us, and weave them into the fabric of our lives. Put it into practice, Paul urges. It is in the daily practice of these teachings, in striving to live out principles of love, compassion and grace, that our faith truly blossoms. Paul also makes a promise, "And the God of peace will be with you." This promise is more than a statement, it's a deep and abiding truth. When you put God's word into practice, you will find yourself enveloped in divine peace, a peace that surpasses all understanding. This peace comes from knowing that God is always with you, guiding you, comforting you, and empowering you to walk a path of joy and resilience. So, my dear friend, embrace the wisdom of God's word and the teachings of those who have walked before you. Strive to live out those teachings in your daily life. Remember, the path of faith is not just about knowing, but about doing. It is in the practice, in the striving, that you will discover the profound peace that comes from walking hand in hand with the God of peace. Thank you for watching.